started reading these books, and I read this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, which most people have. And it basically said, hey, you need real estate. Picked up another book that said, if you want to become wealthy, you buy $1 million worth of real estate, and then you have these people called tenants pay it off. I'm like, cool, I could do that. So, I went to a local business networking meeting, like a BNI, and I'm the carpet cleaning guy trying to get jobs. And there was this mortgage broker, and he says to me, hey, you want to buy real estate, right? I said, yeah, I don't know. I just don't know how to do it. I'm brand new. I clean carpets. I used to be a musician. He said, well, I have a really, really crap duplex. It used to be a convenience store. He's like, do you want it? And I'm like, hell yeah, I want it. I don't know what it was. I'm like, you giving me real estate? He's like, yeah, I have it. It used to be a convenience store. You can have it. And he was a mortgage broker. So he set me up with this private loan and all this thing. And I moved into this property. I was paying $156 a month plus utilities. I assumed the tenants downstairs who were on disability. And it was a crappy duplex, but I was like, I got my own spot. Moved out of mom's basement. I called my little brother. And back in the day, having like a box of cereal and a jug of milk was a big deal. So I went out and bought like 6 different types of cereal. And I had that carpet cleaning business, dude. I started buying real estate. I bought another property with no money down 6 months later. I bought a third property a few months later. By the time I got married at 23, I had 3 duplexes, 5 tenants, and I was basically living for free.
That's awesome.
That was the hustle. And I kept that carpet cleaning business because I said, I'm going to keep this thing going and going and going. And I kept it for about 5-6 years. I had 15, 20 rental properties, and I was still cleaning carpets for $200 because for me, it was like I needed to develop this thing called hard work. God gave me an opportunity to go and clean carpets. I had this small business. I said, I'm not going to kill this business until this one is wildly profitable. If you buy rental properties, man, it takes a lot of properties to finally get that cash flow coming in. So that was the genesis. It was really, I'm going to clean the stuff that nobody wants to clean, develop the grit. And dude, cleaning carpets taught me business, taught me customer service, taught me how to show up and be presentable, taught me sales. It taught me how to get in a car and door knock. It taught me all the skills that business owners need to have.